All you Trekkies and TV addicts, don't mean to this, don't mean to bring static. All you Klingons in your grandma's house, grab your backstreet friend, they get loud, blowing doors off hinges, grab you with the pinches. And no, I didn't retire, I snatch it off with the needle nose pliers.
Like kids will overhaul with the heroes you never seen before. Riding in the glazing, like Lord King, you know I get paid. Like a face with the face suit, not groovy like they're in a hate suit. I'm a Nick at night with lights running, let you know. Alright, now we ain't call no alarm 'cause my farm ain't fast. So what's up with that? I got friends and family that I respect. When I think I'm too good, they put me in check. So believe when they say I'm no better than you, except when I rap, so I guess it ain't true like that. You'll end, you just don't stop. Guaranteed to make your body raw.
Check it out. What's it all about? Work it out. Let's turn this party out.
Say doc, what's the condition? I'm a man that's on a mission. So son, you better listen. Stuck in your what? It's an electrician, like a scientist. When I'm applying this method of controlling my mind, like Einstein or now hey nigga, but now what the deal? I didn't know you go for that mass appeal. Some call it Salucci, some hot potato. I stole your mic, but you won't see it later. 'Cause I work magic like a magician. I add up the mathematician, the bank cashier, engineer. I wear cotton and I don't wear gear.
Shazam and abracadabra. In the whip, I'm gonna cruise past ya. Your money, don't jump yourself. Put that back on the shelf. Shot rays blazing, you out of phase in. My crew's amazing. We're working on the record, y'all, so just stay patient.
Check it out. What's it all about?
Work it out. Let's turn this party out.
Check it out.
Now I go by the name of the King Abra. I don't wear a cup nor a job. I bring the that's beyond bizarre. Like Miss Piggy. I am the one with the clientele. You say I rock, you rock so well. I got class like pink champagne. And ain't got the microphone, the mic goes stale.
Don't test me, they can't arrest me. Fake cross over and shoot lefty. You look upset, Joe, calm down. You look like cable guy dumped off of your crown. I flow like smoke out of chimney. You never been me. You wanna rap with your beginning in hip-hop beat?
Now get your clothes right out the dryer. Put overall up on the tire. Put that fresh attire.